Hi students. So under flexible budget, we are going to discuss with the 25th question. Seema, the cost of an article at a capacity level of 5000 units is given below. For variation of 25% in capacity above or below this level, the individual expenses vary as per details given against each cost. So here the information which he has given, that is for 5000 units. That is for 5000 units. Once you see the question here, the information which he has given, that is for how many units? 5000 units. Okay, so regarding 5000 units total cost, nothing but for 5000 units he has given the cost here. So material cost 25000 he has given. For 5000 units it is 25000 and it is 100% variable. Labor cost 15000 he has given, 100% variable. Power 1250 he has given, 100% variable. Repairs 2000 he has given, 75% variable, means 25% will be fixed. 25% will be fixed. Okay, so here you have to calculate fixed and variable. Stores 1000 he has given, 100% variable. Inspection 500 he has given, 20% variable. Depreciation 10,000 he has given, 20% fixed he has said. So means 80% will be variable. Depreciation 20% fixed he has said na, so 80% will be variable. Inspection 20% variable he has said, 80% will be fixed. Okay, next. Administration overheads 5000 he has given, 25% variable he is saying, means 75% will be fixed. Selling overheads 3000 he has given, 50% is variable he is saying, means remaining 50% will be fixed. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to prepare a production budget for 4000 and 6000 units. Nothing but the information which he has given, it is for 5000 units. Now we have to prepare it for 4000 and 6000 units. So here the per unit he has not given. Per unit he has not given. Okay, so first of all we have to convert this into per unit. We have to convert it. We have to convert these amounts into per unit, and next we have to do the problem. Okay, so once you see the answer here, how we have to do. So we have here, we have to prepare a budget for how many units ma? For 4000 units and for 6000 units. So for that, once you see material, okay, material he has given. Material for 5000 units 25000 he has given. So for 1 unit how much? First you have to find it for 1 unit. How much we got here? 5 rupees we got. Do cross multiplication, you will be getting a 5 rupees. Next, labor. Okay, these are total 100% variable ma. So labor cost 50, same thing for 5000, if it is 15000 means for 1 unit how much? Okay, 3 rupees per unit we got. Power also same thing. For 5000 rupees, if it is 1250 means for 1 unit how much? So 0.25 we got here. Okay, 0.25 we got. Okay, clear? So here a print mistake is there ma. Once you see here, in case of power, here it is not in 100%, here it is 80%. How much it is? 80%. Okay, change చేసుకోండి అక్కడ కొంచెం. It is 80% in case of power. Okay, so power is how much ma? It is 80%, not 100% variable. It is 80% variable, means 20% will be fixed. 20% will be fixed. Okay, so once you see here power, so power how much we got here? 0.25 per unit we got. In this is total 0.25 per unit we got na. In this, what he has said in the question, 80% variable he has said, means 0.25 into 80% is variable, and 0.25 will be 0.25 into 20% will be fixed, means 0.2 is variable and 0.05 per unit will be fixed. So power ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి అమ్మ. సో 1250 divided by 5000 చేయండి, చేస్తే మనకి 0.25 per యూనిట్ వచ్చింది. ఈ 0.25 per యూనిట్లో వేరియబుల్ ఎంత అన్నాడు వాడు క్వశ్చన్లో, అది 80% అన్నాడు, అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ 20% ఏముంటుంది? ఫిక్స్డ్ ఉంటుంది. సో 0.25 ఇంటూ 80% చేస్తే మనకి 0.2 వచ్చింది. 0.25 ఇంటూ 20% చేస్తే 0.05 వచ్చింది. ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని డివైడ్ చేసినాం మనం, వేరియబుల్ ఫిక్స్డ్. సేమ్ రిపేర్స్ 2000 divided by 5000 units, so 0.4 we got. So for repairs what he has said ma, 75% variable he has said, means 0.4 into 75%, 0.3 will be variable, and 0.4 into 25%, 0.1 will be fixed. Next, stores 1000 divided by 5000, how much we got? 0.2. In case of stores what he has said, 100% variable he has said, so no need to divide here. Okay na. Next, inspection 500 divided by 5000, so 0.1 rupee per unit, 0.10 per unit we got. So in that variable 20% he has said, so 0.1 into 20% is equal to 0.02 and 0.1 into 80%. If 20% is variable means remaining will be 80%. That 80% is nothing but fixed, 0.08. Next, depreciation, 10,000 divided by how much my year? 5,000. So 10,000 divided by 5,000. Here depreciation also print mistake. It is total 100% fixed ma. Depreciation total 100% fixed. Okay. So 2 rupees. Next, administration overhead, 5,000 divided by 5,000. So 1 rupee we got. So in case of administration, 25% variable he has given in question. So 1 into 25% is equal to 0.25 fixed. 1 into 75% is equal to 0.75. Nothing but variable is 25 means remaining 75% will be fixed. Next is selling overheads, 3,000 divided by 5,000. So 0.6 we got. What he has said, 50% variable he has said. So 0.6 into 50%, that is 0.3 will be variable, and 0.6 into 50%, 0.3 will be the fixed. Okay, here all we have calculated per unit and we have divided it. Okay na? So now what we have to do, table calendar. 5,000 units, 4,000 units, 6,000 units. Okay, first material 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 5 into 5,000, 5 into 4,000, 5 into 6,000. Next, labor 3 into 5,000, 3 into 4,000, 3 into 6,000. Next, power. So power we have divided into power, fixed and variable. Okay, first fixed you see ma 0.05 into 5,000 you have to do first. జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి అమ్మ ఇక్కడ 0.05 into 5,000 you have to do. You will be getting 250. In case of fixed, amount will be same. In case of fixed, amount will be same. 250, 250, 250. Per unit you have to change. What you have to do? Per unit itself you have to change. Okay, 250 divided by 4,000, 250 divided by 6,000. జాగ్రత్త చూడండి అమ్మ, 250 divided by 5,000. ఇక్కడ కూడా చేంజ్ చేసుకోండి. 250 divided by 4,000, 250 divided by 6,000. Okay, per unit you have to change in case of fixed. Next, variable 0.2. In case of variable, per unit will be same. 0.2 into 5,000, 0.2 into 4,000, 0.2 into 6,000. Okay, next, repairs also same. Fixed variable we have to take. Fixed is how much we got there ma, in working notes 0.1 we got. First what we have to do, 0.1 into 5,000 you have to do. You will be getting 500. So amount column, in amount column, total amount column 500 only you have to take. 500, 500, 500. Now per unit you have to find 500 divided by 6,000, 500 divided by 4,000. Okay, you will be getting these values, per unit values. Variable per unit will be same, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 into 5,000, 0.3 into 4,000, 0.3 into 6,000. Next, stores what he has said, 100% variable he has said, so 0.2, 0.2, 0.2 per unit will be same. 0.2 into 5,000, 0.2 into 4,000, 0.2 into 6,000. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఒకటి మార్చుకోండి అమ్మా, ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్ రాసిందమ్మా. ఇటు 250 divided by 4,000 చేసి ఇటు మార్చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ ఆల్సో ఫిక్స్డ్ వేరియబుల్. Fixed he has given, variable he has given. So 0.08 into 5,000 you have to do. 0.08 into 5,000 you have to do. You will be getting 400. Okay, here you have to take 400. Amount column you have to take 400. 400 divided by 6,000. 400 divided by 4,000. So you will be getting per unit values. Variable 0.2, 0.02, 0.02, 0.02. Unit will be same. 0.02 into 5,000, 0.02 into 4,000, 0.02 into 6,000. Next, depreciation is fixed. Depreciation is fixed 100%. 100% fixed means 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So 10,000 divided by 5,000 to 10,000 divided by 4,000, you will be getting 2.5. 10,000 divided by 6,000 you will be getting 1.2. Next, administration overheads. Administration overheads also we have to divide fixed and variable. How much we got here? Fixed 0.75 we got fixed. So 0.75 into 5,000 first you have to do. You will be getting 3,750. This 3,750 you have to take it for 4,000 units and even for 6,000 units. Later on what we have to do? 3,750 divided by 6,000, 3,750 divided by 4,000 you have to do. Next, variable unit will be same. 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 into 5,000, 0.25 into 4,000, 0.25 into 6,000. Next, selling overheads. So fixed how much he has given ma, 0.25. fixed. Here fixed 50%, variable 50%. So fixed how much we got here? 0.3 we got. 0.3 into 5,000. Okay, 0.3 into 5,000, 1500 you have to take. First you have to multiply with first units what he has given. So 0.3 into 5,000 you have to do, you will be getting 1500. Same that amount you have to take in other unit columns also. 15,000, 1500. Now what you have to do? 1500 divided by 6,000, 1500 divided by 4,000. Variable per unit will be same, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. 0.3 into 5,000, 0.3 into 4,000, 0.3 into 6,000. Finally what you have to do? You have to calculate total cost. టోటల్ చేసేసాను మొత్తం. సో ఇలా మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వాల్సింది ఏమీ లేదమ్మా. ఒక దగ్గర జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి. ఫిక్స్డ్, వేరియబుల్. ఫిక్స్డ్ వచ్చి అమౌంట్లు సేమ్ ఉంటాయి, పర్ యూనిట్ చేంజ్ ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ వాడిచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చిన యూనిట్తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఆ అమౌంట్ మిగతా యూనిట్స్లో కూడా వేయాలి. ఫిక్స్డ్ వచ్చి పర్ యూనిట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, అమౌంట్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. వేరియబుల్ పర్ యూనిట్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది, అమౌంట్స్ డిఫర్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, అదొక్కటి మైండ్లో పెట్టుకొని సమ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనమ్మా, ఇది 25th question. Okay.